Hey, hi, my name is Arpan Agarwal and I'm currently working as a performance marketing specialist. Initially, I started my career with BPO industry, but that was not my keen area of interest. I was always interested into digital marketing and looking for the best digital marketing courses and the best digital marketing institute. Then I got to know about Kaiser Academy, which my friend told me about, for which I'm shooting this video today. Then I checked the website of Kaiser Academy and then inquired about the courses of digital marketing with Kaiser Academy. So I met the mentors and they gave me the right guidance and they gave me the confidence that yes, I can switch my careers and I can work with the industry of my choice. So the learning experience at Kaiser Academy was seamless and the mentors gave me the right guidance, and today I'm into the industry with a good reputed organization and I'm using all the learning from the academy into my day-to-day jobs. So I recommend you all to join Kaiser Academy and meet the mentors if you are willing or looking for a career change into digital marketing, as this is one of the best academies for kickstarting your career into digital marketing. Join Kaiser Academy.